Hello students, today we are going to start lecture number 4 on optics. In this lecture, we have seen about the lenses. In lenses, there are converging lens and diverging lens. So what is lens? Lenses are made up of transparent material like glass or plastic. Each of lens two faces is part of a sphere and can be convex or concave. If a lens is thicker at the center than the edges, it is a convex. Let us see here. If these two faces is a part of a sphere, then it can be thicker at the center, then it is a convex lens. That is, if lens is thicker at the center, this is thicker at the center than the edges, so it is the convex. Also it is called as the converging lens. Then a lens which is thinner in the center than the edges is a concave or diverging. Lenses, since rays going through it will be spread out. So here a lens which is thinner in the center than the edges. The edges will be thicker as compared to center. So this is called as the concave or diverging lenses. Then these are the two basic types of lenses, that is converging lens and diverging lens. So let us see here, if we consider a convex lens, we know that the convex lens is in center, it is the thicker as compared to the edges. Edges will be thin and center of the convex lens will be thicker. So if we consider, these are the parallel beams. These are the parallel beams. This parallel beam will be incident on this convex lens. Then we get this focal point. We get this focal point, and the distance between this pore and the focal point, it is called as the focal length. It is the focal length. So a converging lens, that is the convex, takes light ray and bring them to a point. Takes light ray and bring them to a point. That is the focal point, and distance is called as the focal length. Then consider a diverging lens, that means the concave lens. In this case also the parallel rays, these are the parallel rays which are incident, then it will spread them outward. It will spread them outward. In this case also this is the focal point, and this distance, it is the focal length. Distance between these two, it is the focal length. So these are the some converging lens and diverging lens. In converging lens, the lenses are meniscus, plano-convex and double convex. Meniscus, plano-convex and double convex. And in diverging lenses, there are also meniscus, plano-concave and double concave. These are the lenses. Then consider the thin lens. Thin lenses. In these thin lenses, there are also converging lens and diverging lens. In converging lens, any lens that is thicker at its center than its edges, and in diverging lens, any lens that is thicker at its edge than at its center. Then what is thin lens? Thin lens, a lens is an optical system with two refracting surfaces. The simplest lens has two spherical surfaces close enough together that we can neglect the distance between them the thickness of this lens. Then if we increasing the focal length, then increasing the image size. So let us see in this diagram. If the focal length will be 18 millimeter, then we have see the picture like this. And if we increasing the focal length of this lens, then increasing the focal length, then we have get the picture like this. This is the 24 mm, 35, 55 like this. And if we increase the focal length as 300 mm, then this picture we get like this. We have seen the same picture, that is focal length will be 18 mm, and whenever the focal length will be 300 mm, then this picture we have get. Then the thin lens formula. In thin lens formula, 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. In the previous lecture, that is in spherical mirror and in concave and convex mirror, we have also seen the mirror formula. Also here we have seen the lens formula. In this lens formula also f is the focal length, v is the image distance and u is the object distance. So the lens formula will be 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. That is, v is the image distance, u is the object distance and f is nothing but the focal length. Then magnification of a lens. So what is magnification? The magnification m of an image is the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. So what is magnification? M is the image height upon object height. Image height upon object height. Then this number is a dimensionless ratio, a length over a length, and does not have any units. So what is the formula? The magnification factor m of a lens is always positive. Magnification factor m of a lens is always positive and is given by capital M is equal to V upon U. What is that? Capital M is equal to V upon U. What is V? V is the image height. And what is U? U is the object height. Then power of a lens. So the power of a lens is the reciprocal of its focal length. That means P is equal to 1 upon F. F is the focal length, that is in meter. So P is equal to 1 upon F in meter. Or we can also write here F is equal to 1 by P. F is equal to 1 by P. So the SI unit of power is diopter. It is denoted by D. 1 diopter is the power of lens whose focal length is 1 meter. Whose focal length is 1 meter. Then the power of convex lens is positive and the power of a concave lens is negative. So what is the formula of power? Power of lens is P is equal to 1 by F. And if we use the convex lens, then the power of convex lens is always positive. And if we use the concave lens, then the power of a concave lens is negative. And the SI unit is diopter. Then if we use the curved mirror, in curved mirror, if we use the curved mirror, in concave mirror, there is a positive focal length and real or virtual image. And if we use the convex mirror, then we get the negative focal length and virtual image. Also, when we use the lenses, that is, if we use the concave lens, then we get negative focal length and virtual image. Negative focal length and virtual image. And if we use the convex lens, then we get positive focal length and real or virtual image. So when we use the concave lens, we get the negative focal length and virtual image, and when we use the convex lens, we get positive focal length and real or virtual image. In this also we have seen that what is the real image and what is the virtual image. The real image is nothing but the focus point made by the converging rays is known as the real image, and what is virtual image? The collection of focus points made by the extension of diverging rays is known as the virtual image. So in this lecture we have seen the lenses. So thank you.